Phonics is fun vowel sounds and consonant blends. The long U sound as in huge, cool, blue, blue and fruit. A cool breeze blew as June, Sue and Bruce sat by the blue pool. June and Sue had some soup while Bruce sipped fruit juice. "Would you like to listen to my flute?" asked June. "Sure. I'll play my flute with you," said Sue. June and Sue played a lovely tune on their flutes. Soon, Bruce started humming the same tune, for he knew it too. The short U sound as in duck. Dusty the puppy was playing in the mud. He jumped up and down and dug in the mud. He was having fun. Mom saw Dusty in the mud. "Dirty puppy," cried Mom. Dusty made a fuss when Mom caught him. Mom rubbed and scrubbed Dusty hard in the tub. After that, whenever Dusty got dirty, he hid himself under the rug to hide from Mom.